2022 Tesla Model S, and the left front axle is buried in there. There's no way you could get a tool to fit around that deep inside the case. So this was interesting for me. You can see this is the axis you have from the front bottom. So what I ended up doing to get this out initially was I drilled a hole in the CV axle, and then I pried it out. Put one pry bar in there, another one between that and the transmission or the case. However, you can see the grease from it falling out. That is not a good method. You don't want to pry against any aluminum that could crack the case. So what I did was, let me get a napkin and wipe this off. I made my own tool. So using a collar, I put this between. We're gonna route this around the axle. I'm gonna push this all the way to the back. See if I can do this with one hand. And this is gonna go all the way around there. I'll do that with two hands. But the concept is, once it gets around there, let's see, once this gets around the other end, you're gonna slip this collar all the way down. Looks easier if you have two hands. And this is gonna keep that tight. So when you pull, it's gonna pull the whole axle. Now, this is my first length. And I have a couple variations. Let's give it a shot. To go through all the way to the back of the axle. Now that when that bottom loop goes around the back, I could go in here, and that collar is obviously hard to get to. So what I do, I grab a long clip puller, and kind of hard with the phone right here, but let's give it a shot. Clip puller. There it goes. So now that's all the way there in the back. Nice and tight. And then with this one, all we need is a slide hammer. Let's get this, see how it works. Now I got you guys there. I have a slide hammer hooked on there. I guess that's the only problem with that. Works well, and there's a couple of different designs, so very nice. Thanks for watching.